Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and today I'll show you how easy you can clean your micro USB charging port. So at the first you have to prepare some kind of the thin object, for example this one. You can also use this kind of the pencil. And I'm going to use this one. So let's zoom in a little bit. I will show you how it looks inside. So as you can see, inside you can spot probably dust or something like that. So we have to input the thin object right here. And then you have to make the gentle gestures from one of the edge. Remember to do it slowly and don't break anything. Okay, let's try if we got something else here. Okay, and right now it's fine. So as you can see, let's zoom out. As you can see, it was very fast and very simple. And here we got our dust. It's not that big, but I was unable to plug the charger and then charge my smartphone. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.